Hello everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Today, we will show you how to connect with Shopify. Create a Shopify store. First, make sure you have a Shopify store. If you don't have one yet, you can visit Shopify.com, click on Start Free Trial in the top right corner, and follow the step-by-step instructions to sign up for your Shopify store will be easier. Create a JetPrint account. Visit the registration page on JetPrint. Complete the account registration and activate your account. If you already have a JetPrint account, simply log in. Connecting Shopify to JetPrint method 1. On JetPrint's integration page, click Connect. The page will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. Log into your Shopify account in the Shopify App Store, then click Install JetPrint to complete the connection between Shopify and JetPrint. Connecting Shopify to JetPrint method 2. In the search bar at the top of your Shopify store, search for JetPrint. Click Search JetPrint in Shopify App Store and click Install to add JetPrint to your Shopify store. Then log in or register your JetPrint account, and you will have successfully connected Shopify with JetPrint. You can view your connected Shopify account on the integration page in JetPrint. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your watching.